In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create an invoice using a report based on a multi-table query. This is what the final invoice will look like. You can see it's got information from the customer ID and booking ID, it's got the customer's details, and it's got information about one of the excursions that they've booked, including the price and a calculated field which is the total price, which is the number of seats times the price of each seat. So to create this we go in two steps. The first part of this video tutorial shows you the first step. The first step is to create an invoice query. Let's have a look at the design view of this query. Firstly, you can see that information is coming from 5 tables. We've got information from the customer table. That will be the customer's ID, name and address. We've got information about the booking ID, the number of seats that have been booked. We've also got information about the actual excursion itself, so where it's going from, where it's going to, the dates of outbound journey and return journey, and of course the price of a ticket. And rather than just using the station IDs, we're going to bring in the actual name of the station from the Suffolk Station or UK Station tables. So let's look at the fields that we've got in this query. There's the customer ID, their title, first name, last name, address, town and postcode. We've got the booking ID, we've got the name of the Suffolk Station, we've got the station that we're going to, and we've got the dates of the excursion. We've also got the price, and we've got the number of seats which comes from the booking table. Our final field in this query is a calculated field. You can look at previous tutorials to see how to make one of these calculated fields. It's very simple. This is just simply putting in the price field multiplied, using the asterisk, by the number of seats. And we've even named this calculated field, we've given it the expression name total price. Also in this query I've entered 2 criteria. The first criteria is a prompt for the user to enter a customer ID number, and the other criteria is for the user to enter a booking ID. So when I run this query, it'll ask for a customer ID, enter customer number 1, enter the booking ID number 1. Now I see it pulls out just that record with all the customer's details, the details of the booking that they've made. And you can see this also includes at the end here a calculated field for total price. So that's the price of a ticket, which is £24, times the number of seats, 2, makes £48. If I close that query, if I run it again, try a different customer or same customer but with a different booking number, we can see it's the same customer. This time we're looking at a different booking that they've made. The price of the seats was £31.50. They've booked 2 of them, so the total price is £63. This is the first step for creating the invoice. Please have a look at the next tutorial to see how to make a report.